Space and Science News with James. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the cutting edge of medical breakthroughs. Today, we'll be talking about a revolutionary mRNA cancer vaccine that's showing incredible promise in clinical trials. Why? Because this could be the game changer we've been waiting for in cancer treatment. Imagine a world where your own immune system becomes a precision weapon against cancer cells. A world where even advanced stage cancers might be effectively managed or even overcome. This isn't a distant dream, it's happening right now. In recent trials, this experimental vaccine has demonstrated the ability to halt tumor growth in some patients with advanced cancers. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The implications of this research stretch far beyond a single treatment. How does this vaccine work? What makes it different from traditional cancer therapies? And most importantly, what could this mean for millions of cancer patients around the world? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of mRNA cancer vaccines and the groundbreaking potential of mRNA 4359. The future of cancer treatment might be closer than you think, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. In the world of cancer research, a groundbreaking development is capturing the attention of scientists and patients alike. An experimental mRNA cancer vaccine, known as mRNA 4359, is showing remarkable potential for patients battling advanced stage cancers. This innovative therapy, developed by Moderna, is specifically targeting lung cancer, melanoma, and other solid tumors, offering a glimmer of hope in the fight against these aggressive diseases. The concept behind this vaccine builds on the success of mRNA technology, which gained worldwide recognition during the COVID-19 pandemic. However, instead of combating a virus, this vaccine aims to train the body's immune system to recognize and attack cancer cells. It's a testament to the versatility and potential of mRNA technology in medical applications beyond infectious diseases. In a recent phase 1 trial, 19 patients with advanced cancers received between 1 and 9 doses of this immunotherapy treatment. The primary goal of this initial study was to assess the safety and tolerability of the vaccine, with secondary objectives focused on evaluating radiographic and immunological responses. The results, presented at the European Society of Medical Oncology Conference in Barcelona, have sparked excitement in the oncology community. To understand the potential of this mRNA cancer vaccine, it's crucial to delve into its mechanism of action. Unlike traditional vaccines that prevent diseases, this therapy is designed to treat existing cancers by harnessing the power of the body's immune system. The mRNA 4359 vaccine works by presenting common markers of tumors to the patient's immune system. These markers, or antigens, are carefully selected to be specific to cancer cells. When introduced into the body, the mRNA instructs cells to produce these tumor-associated antigens, effectively training the immune system to recognize them as foreign and dangerous. This process activates various components of the immune system, particularly T cells, which are crucial in fighting cancer. The vaccine aims to generate immune cells in the blood that can recognize two specific proteins of interest, PD-L1 and IDO1. PD-L1 is often overexpressed in cancer cells and helps them evade the immune system, while IDO1 is an enzyme that can suppress immune responses. By targeting these proteins, the vaccine serves a dual purpose. First, it helps the immune system identify and attack cancer cells that express these markers. Second, it potentially eliminates cells that could suppress the immune response, creating a more favorable environment for cancer-fighting immune cells to operate. The researchers observed that in some patients, the immunotherapy increased levels of important immune cells capable of killing cancer cells. Simultaneously, it reduced levels of other immune cells that typically prevent the immune system from effectively combating cancer. This dual action creates a more robust anti-tumor immune response. The interim data from the phase 1 trial of mRNA 4359 has provided encouraging results, though researchers caution that these findings are preliminary. Out of the 19 patients who received the treatment, 16 were evaluable for response. Among these, 8 patients demonstrated stable disease, meaning their tumor size did not increase and no new tumors appeared. This outcome, while not a cure, represents a significant achievement for patients with advanced stage cancers who often have limited treatment options. The trial's primary objective was to assess the safety and tolerability of the vaccine, and in this regard, the results were positive. The treatment was generally well tolerated by patients, with reported adverse events being relatively mild. The most common side effects included fatigue, injection site pain, and fever, symptoms that are manageable and often expected with immunotherapy treatments. Beyond the clinical outcomes, the researchers were particularly interested in the immunological responses triggered by the vaccine. Data showed that mRNA-4359 successfully activated the immune system in many patients. This activation was evidenced by the generation of immune cells in the blood that could recognize the targeted proteins, PD, L1 and IDO1. Dr. Debashis Sarkar, the UK's chief investigator of the trial, emphasized the significance of these findings. He noted that while it's too early to definitively state the vaccine's effectiveness for people with advanced stage cancer, the ability to stimulate the body's immune system in a way that could potentially treat cancer more effectively is a crucial step forward. However, both Dr. Sarkar and other researchers involved in the study stressed the importance of interpreting these results cautiously. The sample size of 19 patients is small, and more extensive studies will be needed to confirm the vaccine's efficacy and long-term safety profile. The promising results from this Phase 1 trial have paved the way for further research into mRNA-4359. The trial is now expanding, continuing to recruit patients with melanoma and lung cancer. In this next phase, researchers will combine the mRNA vaccine with pembrolizumab, an established immunotherapy drug. This combination approach aims to provide more comprehensive information on the safety and efficacy of the therapy. The potential implications of this research extend far beyond this specific vaccine. It represents a significant step forward in the field of personalized cancer vaccines, an area of intense interest in oncology. If successful, this approach could open doors to new treatment options for patients with various types of advanced cancers, potentially offering hope where traditional therapies have fallen short. Kyle Holen, MD, Moderna's Senior Vice President and Head of Development, Therapeutics and Oncology, expressed optimism about the Phase 1 results. He highlighted the vaccine's potential to elicit strong antigen-specific T-cell responses while maintaining a manageable safety profile. This novel approach, he suggests, could be key in shifting the tumor microenvironment toward a more immune-permissive state. As research progresses, the scientific community watches with keen interest. The success of this mRNA cancer vaccine could potentially usher in a new era of cancer treatment, one where the body's own immune system is precisely trained to fight cancer cells. While there's still a long road ahead, these early results offer a glimpse into a future where advanced stage cancers might be more effectively managed or even overcome. As we wrap up today's exploration of the mRNA cancer vaccine, mRNA-4359, it's clear that we are on the brink of a new era in cancer treatment. The promising results from early trials not only ignite hope for patients with advanced cancers but also pave the way for innovative therapies that could transform the way we approach cancer care. While there's still much research to be done, the potential for personalized cancer vaccines to harness the power of our immune systems is truly exciting. We'll be keeping a close eye on future developments in this field and will continue to bring you the latest updates. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth discussions on groundbreaking medical advancements. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of science and medicine. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, share and click that notification bell so you never miss out. See you next week.